Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Instagram on your phone or desktop and signing into the account you intend to inspect. Once logged in, go to your profile, tap the menu icon, then choose Settings to reach Security Controls. This is where device activity lives. Make sure you remember any recent password or two-factor changes because Instagram highlights them and may group sessions. Now that you're in Settings, move to Security to view login activity. That's the next step to examine devices and locations. You'll now open Security and tap Login Activity. Instagram displays a list of sessions sorted by recency. As you scan entries, note device type, approximate city or country, and the timestamp. This helps you judge whether a session is legitimate. If an entry seems unfamiliar, tap it to reveal options. You can choose Log Out to remove that session immediately. Once done, make sure to refresh the list and confirm any unwanted sessions have disappeared before moving to account protection steps. Finish by logging out any unfamiliar devices, then change your password and enable two-factor authentication to prevent re-entry. If you can't reach Settings because someone else changed credentials, use the password reset flow or Instagram's help tools to recover the account. Follow emailed links and verify identity as instructed. For extra protection, review connected apps under Security and revoke suspicious access. Troubleshooting tip: if login activity shows a device but you still have access, immediately log it out and update credentials to block further access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.